Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to unblock someone on TikTok and where is the actual blocking list. Let's launch the TikTok app first. Let's go ahead and click on the lower right corner where you see the profile. Then you want to go ahead and click on the three straight lines on the top right corner, right? Simple and easy. Then you click on the settings and privacy. Then you want to click on the privacy function over here. When you're in the privacy function, you want to scroll all the way to the bottom. The last option is essentially blocked accounts. This is the account that I just blocked, right? And you want to click unblock. Guess what? The account is currently unblocked. This is how simple it is. All these accounts are already blocked. This is your blocked list, and this is how simple it is to block and unblock someone on TikTok. Remember, guys, you go to privacy and you scroll all the way down to the blocked accounts. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.